Today we are going to talk about setting up a harmonic scalpel. There is the one that comes connected. The handpiece comes with a cable that connects to the machine, and there's this piece that you have to use a handpiece that is re-sterilized before use. It's not disposable. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to connect the handpiece, the non-disposable handpiece, to the harmonic electrosurgical piece, which is by Ethicon, to the machine. First of all, the equipment is in date. I can see from the top, you must make sure it's in date. And then it's plugged on the socket. Then all you need to do is put your thumb there and it's on. You can hear the noise, meaning it is working. Then we have the handpiece, which will be given. Give me that. This is the handpiece that is reusable, so which means it's always autoclaved to make it sterile. It has 3 parts, which includes this piece here that is meant to cover that bit. Unfortunately, this one is not connected, so but anyway, that covers that bit, which you must remove. And then you have the piece that you use to lock the handpiece to the piece of equipment itself. So therefore, you remove the screw cover, take the handpiece, hold this like that. It's in, slot it in. Make sure you support and turn. Turn the long shaft until you reach the end of that. Then hold the handpiece, not the working element, and turn 1, 2. And then remove. You must close the jaw to remove this. And this is disposable because it comes with a disposable working element. You also have this that comes with a handpiece. Close the jaw, slot it in. It functions the same. So this piece is non-disposable. It comes with a handpiece. Then you lock, slot it in and lock. But now I'm going to show you how to unlock using this because the function is the same as the disposable one. Then your scrub assistant, the scrub, whoever is circulating for you, just needs to slot this in here. Remember, this comes with different parts. That could slot in there, which means there's a different piece that will slot in this, but it doesn't go because this has a different element that goes there. So you need to remove. Let me put that down, that bit, so that this bit, you can see there's a big opening there for that big end of this one. And then just slot it into the machine. Then it's identifying the instrument. Before, it never used to identify. Before, you had to set it up. But now it's asking you to activate the instrument. Activating the instrument means you have already locked. Make sure it's tight. Hold it like this. Remember when you're locking? Now this is locked. Activating means you press on the gray button. Look at the machine. It's working. And then press the other one. And that is good to go. After use, remember this is non-disposable. So again, hold there. This is now contaminated. Be careful, treat it as a sharp. And then turn it anti-clockwise. So it unlocks. Then continue with the shaft, unlocking the shaft, holding the handpiece until this comes out by itself. That's out. This is disposable, remember? This is non-disposable. Lock the jaw. Bring the non-disposable piece out because you still need it for the next case. If you used this both ways, this is disposable. You can throw it when you're discussing this. Discard this in the sharps bin. It is a sharp, it's been used, it's contaminated. Then when finished, you take the small piece again to cover the screw there before you take it for sterilization. Make sure it is not lost so that when you come back, it will be 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. So after you do that, coil it nicely. Make sure you always coil your cables nicely, not to break the fiber in. Disconnect from there. Coil nicely. Any piece of equipment, anything you're taking for sterilization, any cables you're keeping for storage, even if you're not taking for sterilization, must be kept in that manner. Not squashed, not just kept like a rope that is being used for cows. Anyway, that is it. This will go for sterilization. This goes for sharps bin. In my next video, I'm going to train you on the harmonic scalpel that comes complete with a cable. This is for laparoscopy. There is also the short one. This is 36 centimeters. The short one, which is 20 centimeters, is for open surgery. This is for keyhole surgery. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.